Okay, so let us start. What we are discussing yesterday, I gave the task to you. Have you done that? Up to HTML forms, I told you to complete the tasks. Have you done that? Okay, good. Okay, nice. Okay. So let me explain about today's class. So first, we will go for W3 schools. W3 schools and HTML. So I hope you got through that this, right? So this hash frames, what is hash frames and all. Sorry, iframes. So I guess there is no need to explain once again, right? So can I continue further like after the HTML form? Okay, fine. So please tell me, everyone, please tell me. Thumbs up. If it's okay, please thumbs up. Only one student. What about rest of us? 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, so let me continue after that. So if you have any doubts, you can just ask me that, okay? So I will explain that, no problem. So today after this Google Forms, we have HTML media. HTML media is there. So what is media? This media in the sense your audio, it may be your video, like videos it may be. So let us look about this. Multimedia comes in many different formats. It can be almost anything you can hear or see, like images, music, sound, videos, records, or films, or animations, whatever it may be. So it is called multimedia. Okay. So when web pages often contain multimedia elements of different types and format. So it may be MPEG, that is MPG or MPEG. So this format it may be developed by the Movie Pictures Export Group. This is popular video format on the web, not supported anymore in HTML. Okay, so you may about these things, right? C dot MP4 dot RAM dot move. It's like a movie. You have saw that, I guess. So how we can use that in the our web page, like MP3, MP4 dot wave, all these things. So that is actually called how we can use that in our media. So let us look about those things. Okay, so how we can do this, how we can implement this in the, can you see this? So what they have done, see, let me open that. Before I told you all about these things, so you just like you can if you don't if you're not install the VS Code, please install it, and whatever the extensions I have told, you just install those things. Okay. So let me create HTML file. So I will create day4.html, day4.html. Then exclamation mark, hit enter. So your HTML boiler code will be abbreviated. So I will click day 4. Why day 4? Why this is title? Why this title is used? Let me run this. Let me run this and show you. Can you see this at the top? At the top, can you see this? Day 4 is showing, right? Which is nothing but title, whatever you have used here. Okay. So whatever now you want to see in the windows, that should be written in the body tag. What I hope I have already told about this, right? So now what I will do, let me take some video. Okay, so anything it may be. Fine. Now what we can do is say video. Video is right. You have to open and close the video tag. Okay, open and close the video tag. Width should be like, it is not mandatory. You can give any size of width. I can give this 500 also. See, its width has been increased now. Okay, so can you see this? So type is nothing but video of MP4, because can you see this? It's a source they are giving. So for the video tag is right. One source is what? Mode, that is bb dot mp4. mp4 is the right. So its type is video. This is video of which type? mp4. Understanding? So this is how you can do this. So let me erase this and run this. Is there any other video other than this? No problem. Okay, fine. See, can you see this? See, you have the option to download each picture in picture, whatever the things it will give. So you can enlarge it, or you can increase the voice or decrease the voice, whatever. We will do this in the normal videos and all. So this is how you can do it. Okay, so I will copy this same and I will paste it here. Let me run this. Browser does not support HTML video. Okay, so let me clear this and I will just again copy, paste. See, now it's coming to fine. Now, yeah, this is about like how you can implement the videos. Similar way. In similar way, what you can do, you can insert the audio also. You can insert the audio also. See. So this is the like how you can similar to video only. So same, instead of video, you have to mention give audio tag here. Controls in the sense you can do the download or sound, like you can do control whatever you want to control, so you can control it, right? So that is nothing but controls. Next source is what? Host.ogg, or this can be auth.mp3. Okay, so let me run this. I didn't hear only. Fine. So it's something sound is there. Okay, so this is how you can implement the audio. Okay, so next objects. See, can you see this object? Data is nothing but snippet.html. So in that is snippet.html, whatever it may be there, so it will be given. So object in the sense some objects, whatever it may be. So from this particular site, it's taking the data. Got it? So height is nothing but you can specify this. Like if you want more size, you can give that much of size. According to you, it will give the sizes. Width is nothing but 100% is there. You can give 50% is also. See, understand? So this is like inserting about the objects. Now, important thing, like sometimes you will be having the YouTube. So let me show this properly. I will show this. Where it went. YouTube. YouTube is there, right? So now what I will do, so our channel, one video only I will just use it. So if you click on this, you will be having an option called share. Okay. So click on share and you will get one option called embed. See, can you see this embed? Okay. Click on that. Click on that. You will get some iframe here. Iframe. I hope you studied yesterday class. So I will just copy that iframe. I will just copy that iframe and I will paste that iframe here. I will paste that iframe here. So let me run that page. So it's loading. See, can you see this? So that page, like that, whatever the video is from the YouTube has been loaded over in this site. Got it? Understand up to here whatever I have told? Understand or not? If you want one more time, please tell me. If you want one more time explanation, please comment me. I can't understand. So I can't understand for what you have given the thumbs up. That's why. You want one more time explanation? Please give the comment. What I need to understand. So you want explanation or not? So how I can understand? That's why if you want, please comment me. I will explain once again if you want. Okay. So let me once again explain this. So I'm not getting the responses properly. So however, it's okay. I will explain once again. About this embed, I will explain once again. This iframe. You will be having the YouTube video, right? You understand this? So YouTube will be there. See, once you get the share option in the video, can you see this share? You will get embed option. Click on that embed. Click on that embed, and you just copy that. You just copy that iframe link, whatever you are getting there. So wherever you want, you can just copy and paste. However, so you will get like this. So now I will show you. See, can you see this? So three times I have pasted, so three times it is coming. But it will show like the YouTube icon, whatever it's showing here, because you have embedded the what you can say the code from there, embedded the link. That is why. Got it? So this is how your embedding will work. And yeah, next other things are actually easy. You can go through that. You can just use that. So geolocations, it may be geolocations API. Um, will take the location, latitude, and longitude. It's getting so it's related to your what you can say JavaScript. So okay. So how this will work? Let me show you. Let me explain again. Let me explain you. Okay. So first, what is there here? Let me copy this entire thing in my VS Code. Let me copy this. Okay, and I will run this. When I run this, so I will get this like this. Okay, so I need a permission to it. So what it will do? It will give the latitude of and longitude of my location. Okay. So what it is doing exactly? I will explain you. I hope. see in the body, one like h1 tag is there, so that you can see this here HTML geolocation whatever is there here. So next one paragraph is there, so this also you can see. See, button is there, right? Button. So they are telling if you click on that, on click is nothing but if you click that button, so get location function should be called. Get location function should be called. So this is not an HTML part. See, this get location is there, right? This is not a part of HTML. So this is what? JavaScript. This is what? JavaScript. Remember this. Okay. So and after that, see here, I'm taking the ID for I'm giving the ID for p tag as demo. Okay, I'm giving the ID for this particular p tag as demo. Okay, let me write the JavaScript code here. So now what I will do, I will consider this tag containing this tag. It is identified by ID demo, right? So what I will do is document dot get element by ID. Get element by ID in the sense document in the sense particular HTML page. From that particular page, get element. So you need to get some element by ID. By the ID, you have to get the element. Okay. So whichever element has demo ID, so get that particular element and store that in the X variable. Okay. So now you have that particular what p tag inside this X now. Fine. Now what I will do is I have one function. Called get location. So whatever we are previously telling, yeah. So I'm telling if you click on this particular
Voice is breaking. Voice is breaking.
okay. So am I audible now? Am I audible now?
Yes.
Fine. So okay, if I click on this particular get location, see, I mentioned this function over here, get location. Okay, so get location. What is there inside that? So navigator.geolocation is used for to get the geolocation. So then it's not supported. So it is used to get the location over from the your based on your location, it will get the latitude and longitude. See, okay, it's getting the positions. Once after this, now what it will do? Success of position. So position dot coordinate plus what? It is giving x dot in the HTML. Let me explain you again clearly. X in the sense what? X in the sense the p tag, because it is identified by demo ID, so that is now containing x, right? So in that x, whatever HTML is there, inner HTML in the sense that okay, latitude is what? Position dot coordinates dot latitude. So this will be now getting, so that your latitude will be mentioned, plus is used to concatenation. Concatenation in the sense to merge. So first what it is giving, so it is giving first latitude. So you are concatenating the whatever the value from here. Next you are giving the next thing. So you are concatenating these things. So you will get this. Missing here. Try it. Yeah. If I click on this, I will get latitude from there and longitude from there. So this is little bit JavaScript is containing. So I will explain the JavaScript from in the next classes. So you need no need to worry. This is a small snippets of code. Okay, W3 schools HTML. Okay, so this is about the thing. Yeah. So all these things are actually easy. Is there you can what you have to do. So this is about tomorrow's task. What you have to do, go to this canvas as SVGs, check all these things. Whatever is there in this, you need to complete it. This is for tomorrow's task. This is very easy, guys, because HTML. So I can't like more give that times on HTML only. So I need to go for CSS now. Okay. I hope everyone is clear with the HTML, how this will work and all. Everyone is clear with this. So can I go for CSS? Okay. So from now onwards, I will start with CSS. Like I will like little bit I will explain about the CSS, not in depth, because I'm going to explain you about timeline CSS. For the timeline CSS,
You are audible, but the voice is breaking.
now am I audible now?
Audible, but sometimes little bit voice is breaking.
Okay, then maybe like whatever issue may be there. Okay, so now I'm audible, right? Okay, fine. So I will start with CSS now. Later, so I will give you like little bit I will explain you about CSS. Later we will discuss about in the entire CSS. Okay, fine. So CSS. So let me give you introduction about basics of CSS. I will show you that here only. Okay, fine. So CSS intro. Fine. I will open the p tag and I want some random text which contains 45 words. So that's why I typed lorem 45, which will give you some 45 words of random words. Okay. Okay. So now if I run that page, see. So that paragraph is there. So I will what I will do, I will apply some styles for this. Okay. So I will apply some styles for this. I will create one file called style.css. I will create this file style.css. Got it. Now, what I will do, so this is external. So there is no link between these two. There is no link between these two pages, right? So what I have to do is, I have to link this externally. Link of CSS. Or else, if you want type me, so link of the relationship is style sheet and href will be what style dot css. Okay. Now I will apply the style for this particular p tag. Okay. So p tag is there. I will give the style p tag. For p tag I'm giving the style. For that, what you have to do, you have to select that element and opening and closing curly braces. Inside that you have to give the style. So I'm giving the color as red. I will give the color as red, so that you can see it becomes now red color. Got it? Remember, color in the sense text color. Now I will give the background color. Give the background color black. I will give the background color black. Can you see this? Its background, whatever it may be, it becomes black now. Got it? Okay. So now what I will do is, what else I can do? Yeah, that's it for this. Now I will create after this. So I hope you understand these two properties, right? Background color in the sense it will give the background color. Color is used for text color. Okay. So next is I will create one division. I will create one division. Okay. Whose class name is uh, anything A. Okay. A. Okay. So red box. So this is what? Red box. This div has red box. Let me copy this. So if you want the same block, okay, so this only copy and it should be pasted to the next. And then what you have to click in VS Code is Shift Alt down. So whatever you will select that will be pasted to the next. What you have to do, select whatever you want to copy to the next. So click Shift Alt down button. That's it. So whatever you have selected, that will be copied and pasted next. Okay, fine. So I created one div, and next div will be B. This will be blue division, and blue box. Or else you can give RGB. Fine. Red, green block, green blocks, blue box. Fine. So if I run this, you can't see any differences. So in that box, like whatever you have done, it's normally text you are seeing, right? So, but what I want is, I want some boxes for that. I want boxes for that. In that particular box, these texts should be there. In that box, these texts should be there. So for that, what I can do is, I need to give the style for that. Okay, I need to give the style for that. Okay, see, so I will give the style for div. That means div in the sense how many divs are there? 1, 2, 3. 3 divs are there. I'm giving 3. Now width is 200 pixel. Pixel in the sense some size will be there. You can see that later. I will show you that. Okay. So if I done that, no difference you can see. Okay. Because now what I will do is, width is this much, height again 200 pixel. Now can you see this? Can you see this? So the distance between these two and these two has been increased now. That means you are giving some height to this particular box, right? So if I give some border to it, you can now clearly see that. Okay, I will give the border as 1 pixel solid black. The meaning of this I will tell you just once again. See, can you see this? Can you see this? See, 1 box, 2 box, 3 box. So basically what I have done, with me 3 divisions are there. 1, 2, 3. 3 divs are there. So I selected div to give the style, right? So div in the sense give one time, that's enough. So whatever the divs are there in this particular page, all those divs will be selected, and for all those divs it's giving 200 pixels of width and 200 pixels of and it's giving the 1 pixel width of border. I will tell you, and solid and black color border. See this black color border. Can you see this? So 1 pixel. So first parameter is related to your thickness. So if I give 10 pixel, if I give 10 pixel, see its border thickness is now increased. Understand? So the border thickness is now has been increased. So next is height. Already sorry. Next is solid, right? Solid is there. Solid in the sense it is continuous line. See, can you see this? It is like there is no gap between them and nothing like dotted structures and all. So this is related to what solid? Solid in the sense like continuously. It is a line. Okay, you can make this as dotted also. Dotted also. See, now it becomes dotted border. Can you see this? Or you can do this as, I guess, baby also. I think so. I don't know whether this will not. Okay. Understand? So I will. So 1 pixel is enough for this. So then black. Black in the sense this color border should be there. If I give blue color only, see, blue color border is coming. Got my point? So this is how this this will work. Now I want now my current problem is inside this particular box. Inside this particular box, this is a red box, right? I want for this box red color. I want green color for this box. I want blue color for this box. Got my problem? So I want red color, blue color, and sorry, green color and blue color. In this case, what I can, right? If I select the div for all this, so if I give the background color, so if I give red, okay, let me give the red. So what happens? It will apply for both, like all these things. But I want individual boxes different colors, right? So that's why we are giving the classes for that. So that first this is represented by R and this is represented by G and this is represented by V. So by selecting the class name, we can differentiate both these three boxes, right? Understanding? So by using that technique, we can give that. So for R, so class will be in the CSS. We can take, so this is normal HTML tag. If you give start with dot, then it is what? It indicates, so I am giving class name. Okay, R. Next is background color. Background color will be what? Red. Just a second. Okay, let me clear this. See, first box is coming with my red color. First box is coming with red color. Next, similar to this, I will just copy and paste. Sorry, we just copy and paste it. RG, right? Next box is represented by G. So green color. So next to that is represented by blue color. So its class name is B. I want its background color is blue color. So that's why background color I will make what? Blue. Can you see this? So I got my solution, whatever I want. Understand? So this is how you can give the, so in that if you want, like the text color is for all. If you want for all the text in these divisions, it should be there in white color. What you can do, text color equals to white, you can give, or hash FFF. So this indicates white color. Okay, So now the text inside the box, it becomes white color. Or else what you can do, give different color for all these boxes also. What you have to do in that case, nothing but, so inside this you mention the color you want, whatever you want. Hash FFX is for black, white, and hash 00 is for black, and it's a combination. Whatever the color you want, you can select that. So next I want aqua. I will give any aqua. See, first column is white, second column is black, and third column, sorry, box is, it becomes blue. Understand? Up to here you understand? Yes or no? Okay. So next is sorry for your convenience. Fine. Okay, so let me check with the schools. Now, colors, backgrounds, then borders, then margin and padding. So now you will be having box model. Very important. Box model. Very important concept. This is. So let me connect my. Sorry for the inconvenience once again. So I will explain you once again here. Okay. So now I'm audible, right? So consider one border. This is the maximum width of the element or the division, whatever it will be, the selected element. So this will be the maximum width. Okay. So at that width you are giving the border. Cool. So outside of that, outside of that, if you give any space, like it may be top side, it may be if you are giving the space from top side outside the border, it is called margin from top side. Margin from top side, margin top. So this gap is called, it is called margin actually. So if you are giving that distance from the top side, it is called margin top. If you are giving from right side, this is called margin from right side, margin right. If you are giving that from bottom side, it is called margin bottom. And if you are giving this from left side, it is known as margin from left side. So this width is called, overall width is called margin. Understand? Next. Suppose in some case what you want inside the uh, division or inside that element, so you want sometimes space. Okay. So in that case, what you can do is you can give the spaces from the inside. The space, whatever you will give inside the border, it is called padding. This is what? Padding. If you are giving that from top side, this is called padding from the top side. Padding from the top side. If you are giving that from right side, then it is called padding from right side. Padding from right side. If you are giving this from bottom side, then this is called padding from bottom. If you are giving that from left, then it is called padding from left. Got it? So the distance which is given inside the border is called padding. Got it? So this much you should understand. So this is about theoretical part. Let me explain with practically. Okay? Understand this much, right, for everyone? If you give thumbs up, I can't see. You have to open your mic. Understand, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So fine. So I will go with next. So whatever I'm telling is, see, I want to comment this third box. Okay, I want to comment this third and second box. Okay, so what I can do is in the VS Code I have a shortcut. Whatever you want to comment, you just select it and control forward slash. Control forward slash whatever you have to comment, so that will be commented. Got it? So now you can see only one box is there with me. That is red color box. Now my problem is, let me zoom this. Okay. My problem is I want some space. I want some space from here to here. I want some more space from the left side only. Okay. From the left side only I want some spaces. Got it? So what I can do, just I can select it and I will give the margin from the right. So margin is, so this is, let me zoom again. So this blue color line is the right. So this is what border. This is what border. So outside there is some space that is called margin. Inside you have to, if you want, please turn off your mic, please. Okay. So if you want to give some space between, so this element is there, right? This text and this border, if you want to give some spaces, you have to give the padding. Okay, I will insert everything so that to that. Okay, so R, right, to that class I will add the margin and padding. So I want from margin 10 pixels of margin I will give. Okay, 10 pixels of margin I will give. See, can you see this? So it's a little bit shifted to right. That means from the left side you gave some space. You gave some space. Understand? From the left side only. Sorry, from all side actually. But you can notice that from left side, that's why it came like little bit shifted. Got it? This is about margin. So next is padding, right? Padding. Padding, I will give 10 pixels again. I will give 10 pixels again. See, can you see this? Can you see this? So then before it is, actually there was no gap between the text and the border. Right? I hope all of you noticed that. But when I give the padding, so there is some little bit gap between this text and the border. So that gap is nothing but padding. Got it? So this is about margin and padding. So from where you, if you want some distance from top, you can give the margin from top. If you want the margin from left, wherever you want the margin, you can give the give from where. So margin is that if you want that margin from the top, you can specify margin top. How much of pixels or percentage, whatever it may be, some measurements are there. So that much of you can specify that. See, can you see this from here to here? It shifted because you are giving the margin from outside from here, not from other sides. Okay. So this is about margins and paddings. Got it? Now it comes collapse. Okay, some terminology is there actually. Box model. Just we will go through that. Match and padding is there or restricted content area. Okay, so that is one terminologies there are. I forgot that actually. So that is known as actually from uh, what exactly I want to say is, let me explain with the example only, then only be clear with it. Okay, so what I want to convey you, I will just show you the example. Fine. Now, what I will do is, from bottom side of R, I will give 10 pixels of distance. From the top side of G, I will give 10% of margin. From the bottom side of R, I will give 10% of margin. And from the top side of G, I will give 10% of margin. So now it becomes what? 10 plus 10. It should be 20, right? Right. So let me show that with example. From R's bottom, I will give 10 pixels of height. From the top side of G, 10 pixels of height. This should be what? 10 plus 10, it should be 20, right? But it is coming only 10 pixels of height. It is coming only 10 pixels, but there is actually, I will show you. First, I will comment this, okay? I will comment this first. See, there is actually 10 pixels of gap between them, right? Because I have mentioned for this particular class that give the margin from the bottom 10 pixels of distance, that margin you have to give. So that's why it gave 10 pixels of gap between these two containers. Okay, so these two containers we have now 10 pixels. Now I am saying that from the top side of the G, from the top side of the G, again give the 10 pixels. Okay, normally what it should become 10 plus 10, 20, right? So it will not do like that. So from it, you are telling it from the top side of container, you are saying 10 pixels. Okay, it's already covered. From the top side of this, so it is not more considering. It is actually overlapping now. Yeah, it is now overlapping. So that's why it is giving only 10 pixels of what? Margin. 10 pixels of margin it is giving. So its let me enlarge this. Its margin is coming over here. Okay, red box margin is coming over here, and green box margin is coming over here. So that's why both are actually what it is doing. It is overlapping. So that's why only 10 pixels of margin is coming. Understand? So this is important. So that's why I'm telling. So box model is very, very important. Understand? Understand or not? Okay, fine. Anybody have any doubts? Please, it's time to you ask the question. Anybody have any questions? Please let me know. You can ask in the comment section, or you can open the mic and you can ask me the questions directly. Okay then, so let me give the tasks. HTML, you need to complete it. So whatever graphics is there, right? So I have completed this, right? Medias I have completed. So graphics and these things very simple is there. No need to think about these things. You can just see that you will complete the HTML that. Okay. So complete the HTML and in CSS the selectors, which are the selectors are there, actually ID selectors are there, like element selectors are there, ID selectors are there, class selectors are there, like this, and so many types of selectors are there. So please consider the, please read these selectors, margin, padding, up to why maximum width, CSS maximum width you need to complete. Okay, from tomorrow I will explain position offsets, and very important thing is that position is also then uh, grid system is there. Okay, I don't know where it is actually. Some grid system is there. Okay, that is very important. I will, yeah, this, can you see this? So this grid system is there, right? So I will go to the grid systems directly, because all other things are you can read it by yourself. Very simple, simple thing, very easy. Okay, fine. Understand? So you have any doubt in the tasks from HTML complete you should do, and in the CSS you need to complete up to what positions? Where is the positions? See, up to yeah, CSS position. Up to here you need to complete. Understand?